Are you tired of manually updating your financial records between PayPal and Xero? Let's explore how to automate and simplify the integration process, ensuring your accounts always reflect the latest transactions. First, let's head over to Xero. We need a tool to simplify the tasks. Click on the waffle icon, often referred to as the waffle iron menu, at the top right corner, and select e-commerce. This will take you to the Xero App Store, a place where you can find numerous useful e-commerce add-ons for your Xero account. In the search bar, type PayTraQer. Click on the app to open its details. Here, you'll find a Get This App button. Click on it to integrate SaasAnt PayTraQer with your Xero account. Now, we'll get started with SaasAnt PayTraQer. Connect with Xero and select the organization you want to add. Click Allow Access. Here, PayTraQer is successfully connected with your Xero account. Next, connect with your preferred payment connectors. Here, you'll find PayPal as your payment system. Now, log into your PayPal account to simplify your transactions with PayTraQer. Continue with Next. Here, you'll find an option to start with the Express setting to make the process quick. Once you are in, you can download historical transactions with custom dates and stores. If you want to bulk import your transactions, you can use a checkmark to sync them with Xero. Once it is completed, you'll see a report indicating how many transactions have been successful and how many have failed. Here, all 9 transactions have successfully synced with Xero. To double-check whether the transactions are correctly synced with Xero, click the successful transaction and select Action Details for the transaction you need to check. Now, proceed with Open in Xero. Here in Xero, you'll find the transactions you have imported through SaasAnt PayTraQer. And there you have it. With SaasAnt transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when SaasAnt can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.